Yo, 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 hello. Okay, I'm setting up everything. Okay. Hmm. How do I take out this? Hmm. This is like video? I don't know. Well, you know. Okay. VMware action collections. No. I don't think this is the messages. Okay. So I think I'm okay now. Oh, okay, I can do that. I will do that later. Wait, I want to edit this. Okay, now I think I'm ready now, so let's do it. So I'm building, let me just show you. I'm building a website, actually not here. I'm gonna go here. So let me just bump this up. More. There's no more. Okay. So this is the website I designed, and I have an hour. So let's see, because I have it, and here in Barcelona is 9 p.m. At 10:30 I have a call. I have a meeting. So let's see what I can do in an hour. So let me show you first. I did some couple of setup before. This is a Gatsby site. I don't know if you know what Gatsby is. Gatsby is a framework to build static, blazing fast website. So I use it a lot. And this project is actually gonna be built with that. So let's see, let me show you here. This is like the base project. You see that there's a package JSON here. I'm using Yarn workspaces because there's a way that you can build Gatsby sites with workspaces, that you work with a thing called themes, Gatsby themes. And for now, I just have the website, but maybe I will have something else over there. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Also here, this is the actual website, the www workspace, and here you can see that I have emotion. I have also, I'm gonna use for this one Tailwind. I don't know if you know what Tailwind is, but it's also an amazing CSS utility library. Tailwind CSS. So here it is. You use this type of classes, and it's pretty impressive. So I'm actually not I don't like too much this boost CSS libraries. I usually build my own thing, but I just say, hey, I saw this one and I haven't used it, and a lot of people told me that it's pretty good. So I'm just here to try it. So let's see. So let me show you how I set up Tailwind in Gatsby. So if we go first, I actually the first thing that I did was Gatsby Tailwind, and that led me to the Gatsby documentations where you can set up Tailwind. Ta-da! Like, what a coincidence. So here they show you two options. The option one is using post CSS. That actually that's the tool that the Tailwind recommends. If we go to Tailwind getting started, also they use post CSS, and you can see it here. Where is it? Yeah, npm7 build, but here. So you can use Tailwind as a plugin for post CSS, and this is I think it's the main way to use it. I don't know, but this is the option one, and then the option two is to use it with CSS in JS. So I think I'm gonna they separate it into two, but I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use styles. I think it's emotion. Yeah, I installed emotion. Yeah, emotion, and also I'm gonna use Tailwind. And the way that I'm gonna use it is like here, you see I create this h1 component. You see that I'm using the Tailwind classes, and also well, actually what I wanted to do is something like const header equals to style.h1. Actually, I prefer, well, it doesn't matter, h1, and then backticks. And here, instead of doing that, I was gonna do header. So I think there's a way that you can do here, like apply something like that, but I'm really not sure. I'm not sure, but yeah, if I run this yarn develop, this will run yarn workspace www develop. You will see the website. I'm going to show you. So essentially what I have is just a hello world, and that's it. So let's see how much I can do in 1 hour. Well, now it's 50 minutes, so you better hurry up, Horacio. Come on. Yay. Now if I go here, you see that I have a basic hello world. Amazing. How amazing is that? So now let's go to design. Let's go to here and see actually what we can do. I actually sent this to the client a couple hours ago, and they saw it and they wanted some changes. So, but there's some things that they're just gonna be like that. So one of those is, I think, that what we do. So maybe I'm gonna just do this section and let's see how it goes. So what we do, okay, I need to have this thing here, because I'm gonna start looking at resources and things quite a lot. So grid, maybe if I do grid here, grid. Okay, so this is amazing. So full width column, margin bottom is 4, then full width barrel rate. Okay, so this is the first one. Then 2 columns. Okay, so it's width half. Okay, I like this. 4, 5, 6. So let me just see. Like the design is actually, you know, I'm gonna open the sketch file because I built the design. So, and you know what? I'm gonna also share this. It's here. So here, let's go to design. Let's take out this too, and now I can just zoom in, and also I will see the grid. So you see that I have, this is a section, and if this is off, come on. Okay, great. So now let's see. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay, so maybe I can just do something like that. Let me check. Here. So let's just go and create a component called what we do. Yes. Port React function. I like function. I like to call my my functions like that with the function keyword, because yeah, because I can. So this is what I really like to do. So let's see. I need so there's a section. That section have two divs, because one div is gonna be for this, and there's another div will be with this, and there's another div will have this. So that div will have different rows. So we can call this bodies here rows. So let me just do that here. Const and also import styled from emotion styled row equals to style.div. I think there's a way to add attributes, so that way I can add the class names. Emotion CSS, and there you go. Here, so I can just go styled on. Okay, props, basic class name, fancy. Where's the way to add attributes? So, interesting. Font size 20. Nesting components. Nope, it's not here. Or maybe I didn't see it. With component. So color red, this is another, the just CSS. So object styles, customizing prop forwarding. So maybe this is it. So let's see if I can do that. Let's see what I got. So here, if I do instead of that is styled div, and then here class name equal foo, and then let's do that. So if I come here and say row, hello row, and this will be export default function, and this is something with like this accessibility. I don't know why, but yeah, I need to figure it out. So here, let me just take out this and put what we do. Yeah, because that's what I wanted to see. Let me take out that, also this. So if I go here, it's been compiled, so I have hello row. And if I open here I'm not getting the foo class name. So that's a problem. If I put it here, let's see what I got. Are you using Tailwind CSS? Yes. Hey, Def Chankai. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at names and also reading. Where's the chat? Damn it. Come on, Twitch. Here. Dev Chankai. Yes, I'm using Tailwind CSS because I wanted to try it. And here it is. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I don't have, oh, but I have those here. Maybe that's why I don't have the class name there. So let me see if I add an actual class of Tailwind that is, I had an example here. So let me just do that. H12, I don't know what that is. So if I go to the result, do I need to save? It's not doing anything at all. So, but if I put it here, what happened? Okay, so this is something. This is adding the class name. And let's see if I take out that. And of course I'm putting the class name here. That's why it's not adding the class name to. That's why it's not adding the class name to the actual row. Yes. So now I'm not gonna edit the panels. Okay, so let's continue. What do we do? So hello row, yeah, you know what? Let me just try to, let's simplify things. I'm not gonna deal with style components right now. This is a div that I want because that's the main section. Actually, I'm gonna, can I add here? Yes. Text section. Then here I will add two divs that are the calls, and here I'm gonna add the h2 that says what we do, and then another div that will have a p tag that it's all the content. And if I come here, I can just copy, paste, and something unexpected happened. So you know what? I'm gonna put it here, that, and that, and then I can just do that. What? Okay, so I need to close. I have two p tags here. Okay, so format document. Come on. It's not formatting for God knows why. Okay, it's closing, closing, and closing. Well, never mind. Okay, so let's continue. So I have that. This is the first section, and let's style it. So here, let me just go to Tailwind and see. Okay, so let's just add the flex to this guy. Class name flex, and then for this, as I remember, 1 2 3 4, so it's going to be 4 out of 12. Let's see if that works. Class name with 4 out of 12. Yes, that's the right syntax. And then they use this. Let's use that. Okay, and then the next one will be 400. So class name equals to w8, no, 7, 12, sorry. And then it's going to be 400. So let's see what happened. Error, row is not defined. Okay, where is row? Maybe I need to reload. Okay, this is nice. This is great. But I need the section to be centered. So how do I do that with Tailwind? Center, align content, justify, align empty, align self customer centering by default, container. So okay, class. Yes. So section, I'm gonna leave it like that, but then I will have a container. Why? Because maybe for this section is the one that I have all the paddings, and then for the div that contains all the content is the one that I'm adding the actual width. So if I do class name container, let's see what happens. Okay, but it's not centered. It's not centered. Okay, I need to center this. MX Auto. So let's do that. What happens? Oh, okay, interesting. So I have here the space, and also because I have a miss column here, that's why I have that. So it's amazing. It's great. So what happened here? Okay. So let's continue. PX horizontal padding. So let's see what happened with that container in CSS. Here, if I go to that, I will, let me just put it bottom so I can see the whole thing. So in my container, max width is 1280. So if I do maybe px4, it's what it was there. Okay, so this is good. Is one rem, so it's 16 pixels, and that's, I think it's all right. I think it's all right. So let me just make a try. Okay, good. So yeah, also, you know what? Let me just put it here so I can see it. Perfect. I just drop it in my bigger screen. So I think this is great. This is perfect. So let's go and change that heading. So let's go to font size. So font size, I put it that this will be, if I do that, this will be 48. So here, so 48 is 16 by times 3. So that means that this is my class. So let's go to here, and let's say to my h2 actually will be that. And also uppercase, of course you have a class for that. Uppercase, so simple. Uppercase. So now if I go here, okay, so also I need bold, font bold, font extra bold, let's put it that way. So here, is there another? And black. Okay, no, black is too much. Black is too much. Extra bold. Let's go to extra bold. I think it was, there you go. I think this is great. So I need a px4 here or here. Let's do it here. Px. Oh no, it wasn't. It was at the container. Px4. So it was. Now we're talking. So actually we can take this out. And then for this guy, let me just create. Actually, I know I'm gonna use this heading somewhere. So I'm gonna create a component called header section header heading KS new file system, new format file for you guys and girls and everyone. Right from React function heading equals to, well, no, here, then return. I'm gonna get children and props, and then return age 2. Yeah, I will need to pass. Oh, damn it. Okay, yeah, let's do h2 class name. So this needs to be, this cannot be that. So I'm gonna explain you why. But later, let me just do something first. So if I do, actually, yeah, I'm gonna put it like this, and then const comp or const semantic equals style dot h2, and with that I'll put it here, and actually I'm gonna just get the as prop and equals to h2. This is why I needed the styled component. Import styled from emotion styled. Okay, something's wrong with my formatter. I don't know what happened, but yeah. I needed that because of this. I can change the semantic if I pass anything to this heading. If I pass this prop to the heading component. So yeah, something happened with my formatter. So here I can just do class name, actually also class name. Let's do it. Yeah. So class name equals to, no, equals to, and then I do class name and also all the classes that are here. So I cut it out, all of them. So now if I go here, paste that here, not here, yeah, and then here I need to add the curly brace. Now I'm talking. So then I can do semantic, close the semantic, actually make a new line, and here children, and also I will pass here props and as prop as. So children class name as, yeah, okay, done. Some things happen with my formatter. I don't know why. You know what? I'm gonna close it. And here, let me just open again. And let's see if the formatter now works. Initializing participants, JS, oh my God. I need like music here. No, I need that and then do this format. Okay, so now I'm talking. What happened here? Okay, yes, you're right. Amazing. Nice formatting correctly. Good. So now what we do, has, I need to import. So import heading from, and also I need to, let's just change it to lowercase. Yeah, why not? What we do, and heading, yes. Maybe there's no other place, but who cares? So now, because I changed files, I need to run again my server. I change file names. So here this heading needs to be export default. Okay, I don't have too much time. But yeah, I think this is getting into something. So here, actually what I can do is add the line. So I'm going to do that. Is like this, I don't remember. Is after. So on this after, I'm gonna put here position relative. Then on my after content, nothing. Position absolute. This is the line. If you remember the design, this will be the line that actually is 90 width. So width, oh, sorry. Width equals to 90 px. Of course, I'm not gonna use 90 like here. Come on. But yeah, for now, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. And then height equals to 4px, and then background color equals to, this is something that I need to add as a variable. So 36, 100, 100. So it does HSL 36, 100%, 100%. And you know what? I can put the A, and this will be 100% too. So with that, and also I need to put top, actually, yeah, top 0, left 0, and then I'm gonna move it. What we do? Okay, so something happened here. Heading. Of course, I'm not using the heading here, and boom. There's something missing here, you know. So where's my after? Background color. Okay, so no string. Of course, I'm in CSS land. So I can do that. And where's my line? Come on. So, why? Maybe this is 1. It's not 36. And I misspelled HSB. Oh, 50. And now 50. 1. Okay, now I'm into something. I have this extension here that puts me the color. Okay, great. So now I can do, instead of top, let's just do bottom. Let's see how it goes. Amazing. But I think I will not. I don't want bottom to be 0. I think bottom will be 16 pixels, or maybe minus 16 pixels. No, that's too much. 8. Great. No, don't save. Okay, so this is good. And that's all in my heading component. So actually I can add a prop to add or delete this line here, but yeah, let's just leave it like that. So I have my what we do section. So if I go here, actually go here, it's what we do, yeah. So if I go here, let's go to the design. So this is, let's see, the text is 16, and also I need to add this Montserrat. So font, just do that. Font family, Montserrat. I just put it like that and see what happened. So now here, if I go computed family, did you know that you can filter here? This is awesome. Okay, so I have 20 minutes. Good. Okay, so this is getting into something. Okay, this is great. So now what I want to do is for each p tag here, I want a class name of, I'm gonna guess here, MB, oh great, MB4. So let's see how MB4 works. MB4 is perfect. So let's just do this for all of them. Here too, here too. And also, yeah, one thing that I saw from actually one of the Steve, the one of the guys that created Tailwind, is that they don't use bottom margins. I usually go bottom and I push everything down because that's how everything flows into the web. But he tends to push up. So, but his reason is that he is just giving space to every element. So I think he's right, but that's gonna be a big change for me in terms of mental models. So so yeah, let me keep with my thing, but I found it interesting that he's just pushing everything up. So yeah, I'm also seeing like some like messages in another chat here. I'm sorry about that. So let's continue. Okay, so this is it. Let me take out this background gray, whatever. Now this is something. Okay, so let me just also add the padding for this content here. So the actual is 96. So let me see what I have here in Tailwind. Padding. So I have PY 40. So no, 40 is like 160. No, I don't want too much. So 96 divided by 16 is 6. So I want py24. So let's see how that works. No, but I want, yeah, what I want. That's a good question, Horacio. So I'm actually, okay, I'm gonna do padding top for the main content. That's gonna be 96. Or maybe I can just do like margin top and bottom, margin Y for this content. And then add the extra here. And also the extra here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So 96 minus 36 is gonna be 60. So 60 divided by 16 is like 375. So let's see if there's something around that. There's 4, so I can do py16 to the whole thing. So let me just go here. The whole section will be this. And then this container is the one that's gonna have the py, what was it? I don't remember. 16 is 4, 4 is 32, 60, whatever. And py24. 24. I don't get the numbers, but yeah, okay. So let's see what I got. I got here. So this is 4 rems, and inside I have also this container, which seems to be great. So this is it. First section. Amazing. So I have 10 more minutes, so let's see if I can just maybe scaffold this new section. So this will be another div. Is it correct to add section inside a section? I don't know. So this div will be the bullet box section. Okay, so here, let me just add, I just want to add the white and the padding maybe. So class name equals to background white, and then also maybe a shadow, shadow, this one. Oh my god, this is great. And then rounded, let's do 0.568, no, 0.25. And then also padding equals to how much is the padding? 24 and 32, and here is also 24 and 32, but because I want these boxes to have some padding, is 20 20 each, 45. Okay, that's weird. Okay, let's do 16. So it's padding, and 16 is gonna be 1 rem. Great. And here, let's just do bullets here. So let's see what I got. Okay. Also I need the main background to be the color, the exact color. So let's just do HSL 98. Okay, good. So it's going to be this is gonna be here, root. So root, let's do HTML body background color is gonna be HSL A. So 0, 0, 98%, and 1. Is this, it should be 100%? Oh yeah. Yeah, alpha is 100%. So where was that before? In the heading. Yeah, here I can do 100%. No, it's not working here. Well, let's see the design. Yeah, it's working. So here and also here, let's save. Let me see if I can see the difference. I don't see the difference at all. So let me just force it to red maybe. There's no change. Okay, so maybe I needed to force the render. Let me just force the render. My laptop is dying. So, why? So this is white, yes. And what happened with the body? The border color, I don't care. Okay, it's because it's not working. And of course something happened. Come on. Still not quite. Let's see the body. Why? Invalid property value. Maybe it's because here is %. Okay, now I'm getting different. If I go here, it's pretty, well, it's not too much, but you know what? I can do that. And this feels great. This makes a lot of difference. Maybe it's too much. Maybe I'm just gonna go 96. And here is a percentage. Come on. And now, yeah, great. Awesome. So this block, if I go here, is actually 10, 12 centered. So let's change a little bit here the markup, because this is actually not what I wanted. Maybe I just take out this and the main section P4, P24. So I have a block of flex here, and maybe I just do another one here, another container. Yes, I need to do another container. Div class name equals container, and this is going to be, I start seeing patterns here. So let me just close, paste the other block, and I'm just gonna copy here. Maybe the padding is the one that is gonna change. PX is 4, yeah, because it's left and right, and maybe here is 16, maybe. So now this is the padding, this is the container, so now I need a flex component, div, and here is class name flex, and inside this flex, because this is the container, this is, or maybe I can just avoid both, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So here I can do that. And then this is the one that it's gonna have width equals to, sorry, 10, 12. And centered, content centered, maybe. What the heck is content center doing? Align content center. No, it's not what I want. Center, centered. MX Auto. Okay. This is it. But here's too much. So here maybe PY is nothing. Okay. PT is 24. PB is equal to 16. Okay, getting better now. Okay, so bullets here. Great. So let me just do like the one block and then I need to go. Actually I haven't like live streamed for a long time. It's like 2 weeks. And I miss it. It's amazing. If you are planning to do live stream, I really encourage you to do it because it helps you a lot in many ways, not only in coding but also like speaking and like a lot of things. So you should definitely do it. So here, instead of doing like a list and everything, I'm just gonna do like the box. So div, this is gonna be like a bullet item or box item, maybe box item. So here box item will be class name equals to sm width equals to 4 or 3, 12 because I want 4, and then I want md to be maybe 6, sorry, w 6 1/2, and maybe lg equals to actually is 312, and maybe I can just do it simpler like this. I don't know why. And here is 1. So now if I put here like background, let's put it this 400, and box here, if I, so let's see how it goes. So here I am at 1. Then what happened there? I don't know. Then 2. And still 2. And something happened. So maybe it's not 2, maybe it's just going from 1 to 4. What happened here? There's like a little gap over there that I don't get it. So let's see breakpoints. So breakpoints, SMMD, so min width, yeah. I want, okay, so the main one is, okay, great, now I know. So if I do width equals 1, and then SM is going to be half, and then mid is going to be that. So if I leave it like that, this should not change. But then if I'm here, why is now half? There's like a bunch of time without it. Well, width, max width, or width with 0, with 1. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh, with full. Come on. So with full. Now we are talking. So I can come here, go here, and then here it's gonna be still 4. I don't know why. Okay, half, and then full. Great. For maybe what I will do is here LG. So now it's gonna be half all the way, and then change to 4. Great. And that's it. I don't have more time. So that was great. Just with CSS, just with classes, this is pretty powerful. I'm super happy with it. So maybe there's a way that I will find to actually create this, but I'm actually pretty happy to do this. And it's just clean. Now the only CSS that I wrote was this, and also like the main root. But yeah, you know, this is something that you have to do. Well, overall, it was a pretty good experience. So I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. I don't think so, but maybe on Wednesday or Thursday. Probably Thursday. So I will let you know. So my idea is to actually finish this website if it's not this week, next week. So I'm gonna go super fast. So let's see how much I can share. So yeah, that's it for me. Thanks everyone, and see you on the next one.